Welcome to our journey into the future of space travel. Today, we explore the exciting advancements in solar sails and laser propulsion technologies. For millennia, humanity has gazed at the stars, dreaming of venturing beyond our pale blue dot. For decades, we were limited by chemical rockets, powerful yet inefficient for interstellar journeys. Now, on the horizon, a new era of space exploration dawns, propelled by the very light of the stars. From the vast expanse of the cosmos to cutting-edge laboratories here on Earth, the quest to harness the power of light for propulsion is well underway. Just as a sailboat glides across the water, catching the wind in its sails, so too can a spacecraft be propelled through the vacuum of space using sunlight. And we're not just talking theory here, folks. Several prototypes, like NASA's Sunjammer and the ambitious Breakthrough Starshot initiative, are already pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Breakthrough Starshot, a project backed by some of the brightest minds in science and technology, aims to send a fleet of tiny spacecraft, dubbed starships, to our nearest stellar neighbour, Proxima Centauri. These spacecraft, no larger than a microchip, will be propelled by powerful lasers here on Earth, potentially reaching speeds of up to 20% the speed of light. Imagine a journey to another star system within our lifetime. In 2024, NASA plans to launch the Advanced Composite Solar Sail System, or ACS-3 for short. This mission will see the deployment of a truly massive solar sail spanning over 80 square meters. That's about the size of a baseball diamond. The ACS-3 mission isn't just about building a big sail, though. It's about proving that we can use sunlight alone to propel a spacecraft through the cosmos without the need for heavy and expensive fuel. Imagine the possibilities. With solar sails, we could send spacecraft on long-duration missions to study the outer planets, or even to chase after comets and asteroids. And because solar sails don't require fuel, they could, in theory, continue to accelerate indefinitely, ultimately reaching speeds that would make even our fastest rockets seem like snails in comparison. The ACS-3 mission represents a crucial step towards realizing the full potential of solar sail technology. Breakthrough Starshot aims to send tiny spacecraft, no larger than a postage stamp, on an interstellar journey to Alpha Centauri. These starships will gather data about Proxima Centauri and its planets. Propelled by laser beams from Earth, they could reach 20% the speed of light. A journey to Alpha Centauri could be completed in decades. Breakthrough Starshot showcases human ingenuity and our thirst for exploration. While interstellar travel may still be a few decades away, solar sails and laser propulsion have the potential to revolutionize space exploration in the near future. In the coming decades, we can expect to see these technologies used for a variety of missions, from studying asteroids to monitoring space weather. One promising application is in the field of asteroid mining. Solar sails could be used to transport mining equipment to asteroids, where they could extract valuable resources such as water, platinum, and nickel. Another potential application is in the creation of space-based telescopes. Solar sails could be used to position telescopes in stable orbits around the Sun, far from the interference of Earth's atmosphere. And because solar sails don't require fuel, they could be used to create long-duration missions to study the outer solar system, or even to send probes to other star systems. The possibilities are truly endless. Solar sails, or light sails, operate on the momentum of light. Like a sailboat harnesses wind, a solar sail captures photon momentum from the sun. Made from thin reflective materials like mylar, these sails act as giant mirrors. Constant photon bombardment accelerates the sail, enabling vast fuel-free travel. This is the promise of solar sail technology, exploring the solar system powered by the sun. While solar sails rely on the sun's light for propulsion, laser propulsion takes this concept a step further, using powerful lasers here on Earth to provide an extra boost. Imagine a vast array of lasers, strategically positioned around the globe, focusing their beams on a distant spacecraft. This concentrated beam of light would act like an invisible tether, pushing the spacecraft forward, much like a stream of water propelling a jet ski. Laser propulsion offers several advantages over traditional chemical rockets. First, it eliminates the need to carry heavy and bulky fuel, significantly reducing the cost of spaceflight. Second, lasers can provide a continuous acceleration, allowing spacecraft to reach much higher speeds than currently possible. And because lasers can be precisely controlled, they offer greater maneuverability, enabling missions to distant planets and moons that would be impossible with conventional propulsion systems. While the promise of solar sails and laser propulsion is undeniable, several technological hurdles must be overcome before these technologies can reach their full potential. One of the biggest challenges for solar sails is developing materials that are both lightweight and incredibly strong. These sails need to be large enough to capture sufficient sunlight for propulsion, but also thin and durable enough to withstand the harsh conditions of space. Laser propulsion also faces significant challenges, including developing lasers powerful enough to propel spacecraft over vast distances and creating systems to precisely aim and focus these beams over millions of kilometers. Another hurdle is ensuring the safety of both humans and satellites from these powerful lasers. Despite these challenges, researchers around the world are making significant progress in developing and refining these technologies. Looking ahead to 2045 and beyond, we can expect to see solar sails and laser propulsion play an increasingly important role in our exploration of the cosmos. By mid-century, these technologies could enable low-cost asteroid surveys, allowing us to identify and track potentially hazardous asteroids and unlock the vast resources hidden within these celestial bodies. Solar-powered spacecraft could be deployed throughout the solar system, acting as sentinels, constantly monitoring space weather and providing early warning of solar flares and other potentially disruptive events. Laser propulsion could enable the creation of rapid transit systems within our solar system, allowing us to send probes to distant planets and moons in a fraction of the time it currently takes. And while interstellar travel may still be a distant dream, the technologies being developed today are paving the way for a future where humanity can truly become a spacefaring civilization. Out in the vastness of space, maintaining precise orientation is crucial for any spacecraft. The Advanced Composite Solar Sail System, or ACS-3, uses sunlight for propulsion. ACS-3's sail is like interconnected panels, similar to Venetian blinds. Adjusting these panels manipulates sunlight pressure, generating torque. This method eliminates the need for heavy reaction wheels or thrusters. Electrochromic elements fine-tune sunlight pressure for greater control. ACS-3's ingenuity could revolutionize spacecraft design. NASA's Sunjammer mission, while ultimately cancelled, provided valuable lessons and insights into the challenges of solar sail technology. One of the main challenges faced by Sunjammer was the deployment of its massive sail, a delicate ballet that had to be executed flawlessly in the vacuum of space. The sail, folded compactly for launch, needed to unfurl gracefully without any snags or tears, a feat that required innovative materials and deployment mechanisms. Another challenge was maintaining the sail's stability and shape once deployed. The slightest variations in solar pressure or the impact of micrometeoroids could cause the sail to deform, affecting its performance and potentially jeopardizing the mission. Despite these challenges, Sunjammer's legacy lives on. The technologies and lessons learned from this ambitious project continue to inform and inspire the development of future solar sail missions. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of space travel. From the ambitious goals of Breakthrough Starshot to the innovative design of NASA's ACS-3, we've seen how solar sails and laser propulsion are poised to revolutionize our exploration of the cosmos. These technologies, fueled by the inexhaustible energy of stars, hold the key to unlocking new frontiers, uncovering the secrets of the universe, and perhaps one day even carrying us to distant star systems. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more updates on these groundbreaking technologies. Until next time, keep looking up.